Correct today. We will correct today exercise 4 that you did it.
Yes.
And I will explain for you exercise 3. Yeah.
Okay.
Exercise 4. Match the following.
Teacher, which page?
Page
63.
Page 63.
morning.
Good morning, Nabil.
Exercise. Yes, and exercise 3. What do we do about it?
I will explain it when I finish from exercise 4.
Okay. Yes, say.
يلا.
Zahra mute.
Okay, teacher. Zahra, please, there is noise. Please mute. Yeah. Let's start with Adam al-Mahmoud. Adam.
Yes.
يلا يا آدم. Teacher, here there's a mistake. You have to cross out ones in all. نحن ما فينا نقول 7 ones. Okay, 7 is the ones digit, but if we want to write it in letters, we can't say 7 ones. They mean that 7 is the ones digit because it's the first digit in the whole part. Cross out ones in all. يلا يا آدم. 7 and 2,308, 10,000. Which one is the correct choice?
Why do we cross?
7 and 2,300. The last one.
7.2308. Bravo. So 10,000 at the end means that 4 digits in the decimal part. 4 digits. Which digits we will write them? We will write 2,308. How do we write it like this? 2,308. So the last one is the correct choice. Now, Asil Haidar.
Do we make it? Teacher, do we make it in the ruler?
No need, no need.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا أسيل. 72 plus 3 over 10 plus 8 over 1,000. Now this part is so clear. Which one? 72 plus 3 over 10 plus 8 over 1,000. Which one is the correct choice?
The third one.
Excellent. Why? It's so easy because the whole part is
72.
عندنا بس one choice. The whole part is 72. Yes, that's it. Now, بتول الحاج. No need to look at the decimal part. You can know quickly from the whole part. لأنه the only one that has 72. يلا يا بتول. بتول. 7 and لا, not 71. الوانز skip it please. Cross it. It's wrong. Just 7. 7 and 308,000.
7 and 308,000.
Okay, which one?
For the first one.
First one. Excellent. So 7 and 308 is the decimal part. We have 3 digits, so we have to say 1,000. Now, Jad Al-Hariri, the last one, please.
Teacher.
Jad.
Yes.
Yeah.
7 and 3/10, 208,000 to the.
What are you doing, Jad? Okay.
Last one.
Yeah. Which one?
We line it to 7 and 300. How did we say it?
Jad.
328.
3,280. You mean 3,000?
3,200.
Okay. Teacher, here if you look.
Put comma.
Okay, teacher, here, yeah, teacher, they added 0. نحن, if we add zeros in the decimal part, the number will change or no?
Number will change.
اسمعوني شوي. نحن لما يكون عندنا decimal numbers يا teacher, لما يكون عندنا decimal number, فينا نعمل addition للzeros at the end in the decimal part or at the beginning of a whole part, the number will not change. We can add plenty of zeros at the end or at the beginning, the number will not change. But we can't add 0 in the middle, it's wrong. Okay? Wrong in the middle, just at the end or at the beginning, the number will not change. So 7.3280 here, the same as 7.328. Okay? عم تسمعوني؟
Yes.
Yes.
So if we add plenty of zeros at the end of a decimal part or at the beginning of a whole part, the number will not change. طيب.
In the middle it will.
In the middle, no, we can't. The number will change. Yeah. جواد شمس الدين.
Yes, teacher.
The other side, 7 plus 2,308 over 10,000. Which one is the correct choice?
It's,
It's easy, yeah.
yes, it's 7.3280.
Look, yeah, Jawad, what did we write here? 2,308.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
It is the last one.
The last one, bravo. Okay. So the decimal part should be 2,308. Now, Jude Asad.
Yes.
يلا يا جود. 72 and 308,000. Which one?
Fancy.
Jude.
Easy. So easy.
Easy.
To the second one.
جود.
Third one.
يا محمد عجاوي. محمد نحن ما فينا نكفي بهالطريقة إذا أنت بدك تجاوب من دون إذن. Jude Asad, listen carefully. What do I mean by 72 and? So what is the whole part يا جود? Jude, 72 and. So what is the whole part? 7 or 72? 72. In which one the whole part is 72? In the first, second, third, which one?
The third.
The third. Okay, so you have to pay attention to the whole part. 72, it's the whole part.
Miss, I thought that it's we're doing it from the other side.
Yes.
Okay,
That's why.
okay, Jude. Hassan Jbara.
Miss,
Yes, Jad.
when you said that if we add 8 at the beginning or at the end in the decimal part, it doesn't change because it's like not a whole number.
It doesn't change because if we are adding zeros, for example, if we write here plus 0.000, the number will change, Jad?
No. Zero.
No, so 0 is nothing, it will not change. But if we add it in the middle يا teacher بيتغير ال place value. يعني هون كانت ل 3 tenths، إذا أنا زدت 1 0 بتصير لي 300. يعني تغير النمبر، يعني it's wrong. Yeah. Now, حسن جبارة. حسن جبارة. طيب حسن جابر.
Yes, teacher. Yes.
7 plus 0.3
Hassan
plus
Jbara is here. Hassan Jbara.
Hassan Jaber. 7 plus 0.3 plus 0.008. Which one is the correct choice?
The second one.
Why? Because did I write here 2? Do we have 2? We have just 3 and 8.
The first one.
Yes, the first one. Okay. Hassan Tahir.
Never with us.
Hassan Tahir. يلا يا حسن. The last one. Which one is the correct choice? عندنا 3 is the 10th digit. 200 will 8,000. يلا يا حسن طاهر.
Yeah, teacher. I am Hassan Jbara.
طيب يلا حسن جبارة.
Yes. Which one?
The last one يا حسن.
Okay. It goes for 7 plus 2,308. Last one? Oh, this. 7,000.
حسن مش مركز معنا، وين كاين يا حسن؟
Can I do it? It goes for 7.3280.
Okay, the second one. Okay. Thank you, Hassan. So you have to concentrate and follow us. Okay. Is it clear exercise 4?
Yes.
Okay. Now I will explain for you exercise 3 part A. Let's do example before we start on the math book. Yeah, listen carefully. We will do example before we start on the math book. I will give you here table. Listen,
Teacher.
please. What's wrong? What's wrong?
When you want to start to correct the homework, can I start?
We are doing intern, ya Hassan. Decimal number here.
Oh.
عنا expanded decimal وعنا letter form. Yeah. Wait.
Who did that?
ال 3 boxes. What's your name اللي كاتب 3 boxes?
Huh?
Decimal number. Let's write 12.91. The expanded decimal 155 plus 0.02 plus 0.009. Letter form 19 and 3,500. 3,501, 10,000. Yeah, let's start. Pencils down, pay attention and listen carefully. Yeah. When I say, here we have to write in the first box a decimal number, in the second box we have to write the expanded decimal, and in the third one the letter form. When I say expanded decimal means we are expanding, so we have to write each digit alone. We will expand them. We will write sum of decimal numbers. Okay? دايما يا teacher, in order to write the expanded decimal, the whole part I will keep it the same, the whole part. Just I will expand the decimal part. Each digit I will write it alone. 12.91. Which part is the whole part?
12.
12. I will copy it the same. So 12 اللي هي the whole part, I will copy it the same. I will write plus. هلا الديسيمال part الديسيمال part أنا حاشتغل هلا each digit alone. يعني ال 9 alone وال 1 alone. ال 9 I will change it to a decimal number because the question expanded decimal. وال 1 كمان أنا حكتبها كديسيمال number. طيب.
0.9.
Wait a minute.
9.
What is the place value of 9 here? The first digit in the decimal part. 10. Second one.
100.
Okay. 9 is the 10th digit. So 9 tenths. How do we write 9 tenths as a decimal number?
0.0.
0.9.
0.9 يا نبيل. 9 is the 10th digit. So it comes directly after the point.
Then
يعني
plus
هي
0.01.
wait يوسف طب ما أنا بعدني بأول واحدة. So يا نبيل 0.9 لأنه 9 is the 10th digit. So it has to be directly after the point. Okay?
Okay.
Then 1 is the 100th digit. 100. 1.
This is 0.01.
Excellent. This is 0.01. So 100th, 1 over 100. Now 100 means 2 digits in the decimal part. So 0.2 digits. One of them is 1 at the end with empty space here 0. So it's 0.01.
0.01.
Okay?
Okay.
Right.
I'm Amal Fakir.
Yes,
Sorry
Amal.
for being late, but the internet I don't have internet connection.
Okay, Amal, no problem because it's the first time, no problem. Yeah, follow us please. أمال هلا عم يدخل حدا تاني باسم أمال.
ايه انا يا مس رح اظهر من التليفون لهلا لانه هلا اجى الانترنت على
Letter form. How do we write it in letters? First, we write the whole part. What is the whole part?
12.
12. The point is written as what?
12.
And. What is the decimal part?
91.
91. طب we check how many digits do we have in the decimal part?
2.
So we have to say at the end what?
100.
100. Don't forget to say 100. Bravo. So 12 and 91, 100. That's it. So we write the whole part, it's 12. The point is written as and. A decimal part 91. We have 2 digits in the decimal part, so we have to say 100. Is it clear the first row?
Yes.
The second row. Now I gave you the expanded decimal. We want to know the decimal number. First of all, I look. What is the whole number here? Which one is the whole number?
155.
155. So I will write 155 point. Next step, now I will count the digits. How many digits do we have here? It's just in the decimal part.
1.
Decimal part.
100.
How many digits?
100.
Teacher, عم تسمع شوي. Digits, two digits in the decimal part.
Yes. 2.
2 digits. عندنا 0 2. طب here how many digits in the decimal part?
3.
3 digits. Okay. The biggest number هو 3, so I will place 3 dashes here. So I count the digits in the decimal part. Okay?
Okay.
So in the first one, we have 2 digits in the decimal part. In the second one, we have 3 digits. So we have to place 3 dashes. I will count them under each dash. 1, 2, 3. At 2, I will place it under which dash?
That
Under 2. طيب. 9 under which dash?
3.
3. Excellent.
And one
empty
is the
space?
zero.
Put
0.
Put
1
0.
0.
Bravo. That's it. Okay, so we will do the way of dashes. We count the digits in the decimal part. We place them as dashes. Then we put each digit under each dash. Mahdi Farhat, stop writing, please. Okay, teacher? طيب. How do we write it now in letters?
Okay.
How do we write it in letters? حسين خليل. حسين خليل. طيب حسين نجم.
Yes.
حسين خليل. How do we write 155.029 in letters?
Teacher, can I
155
and what يا حسين؟
and
How do we read 0?
2000
لا حسين, how do we read 029? How do we read it as a whole number? 29.
029
How do we read it?
29, yes.
29. طيب. 155 and 29. Then at the end, how many digits do we have in the decimal part?
3. 3.
So we have to say what? إذا عندنا 3 digits يا حسين. We say 100?
No, 1,000.
1,000. Bravo. So 155 and 29,000. That's it. طيب. Now the last one. حسين سأسوق.
What the teacher?
19 and 3,501 10,000 يا حسين سأسوق. How do we write it as a decimal number?
Um,
19
19.
and what does it mean and? It means a decimal point.
Point.
طيب هلا 3,501 how do we write it in digits?
3, 5.
Yes.
1,
0 1 3,501.
0.
Okay. 10,000 means how many digits in the decimal part?
4.
4 digits. Bravo. So we check. Do we have here 4 digits? Yes. 3,501. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Rasha,
Yes.
how do we write the expanded decimal of this number? Yeah.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, expanded decimal.
19.
19 plus. Yeah. هلا بدك تفككيهم يا رشا كل digit بالديسيمال part alone. Yeah.
Okay.
يلا رشا hurry up. 0.
0.3.
برافو plus.
Yes, 0. Plus that. Plus 0. I mean 0.05.
Excellent. Plus. 0 we can skip it. No need to add 0.
Plus
We can skip it.
we skip it.
Yes. Let's write
We
1
skip
now.
the-
Yes. Let's write 1.
and 0.
Electricity and oxygen.
0.
Point.
0.0. Yes. Point 0. What?
Rasha, how many zeros before 1? How many zeros before 1?
0. هي 0.001. 0.
Three-
0.
three-
0. 0. Yes. I mean 0. 3 zeros and then we write 1.
Excellent. Bravo Rasha. Thank you. So قبل ال 1 نحن how many digits do we have in the decimal part? 3 digits. كلهم بصيروا zeros. Then we place 1. Is it clear? Clear the table?
Like random. Yes.
Okay. Let's start doing exercise 3 part A. يلا. Now حسين الحاج. برافو رشا. Thank you. حسين الحاج.
Can I go to the toilet?
Go quickly. حسين الحاج.
This Zoom session and
Yes, يا أمال. You can check it later. طيب. رنيم كفل. رين جمال.
Yes.
يلا يا رين. 204 plus 0.2 plus 0.005. How do we write? Standard form means decimal number.
I'm Ranim.
طيب يلا يا رنيم. Hurry up please. We still have 10 minutes. يلا.
Yes. 204.
204 point what? Let's put dashes. Count the digits in the decimal part يا رنيم. How many digits do we have here?
4.
1 digit. And here?
3.
3 digits. 62 teacher. 62. So how many dashes we have to place here, Aniem?
3.
3 dashes. Let me count them down. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. 2 we place it under which digit, ya Aniem?
2.
2 under which digit? Under which dash?
1.
Under 1. Okay. 2 under 1.
Sorry, but granted
No problem, Jawad. ال5 under which digit?
3
3. والempty space?
0
برافو رانيا. Thank you. رين جمال. She's not here. ماجد.
Yes.
رين عم تسمعيني؟ يلا. How do we write it in letters, please? يلا يا رين. رين, hurry up, please. طيب ماجد.
Yes, teacher.
رين, please, how do we write it in letters? يلا.
Teacher مش عم بسمعك منيح.
طيب ماجد, يلا يا ماجد.
204
204 and yes. How do we read the decimal part?
and 205,000.
Excellent, Majid. Why you said thousandth, ya Majid, at the end?
Because we have 3 digits.
Bravo, proud of you, Majid. Thank you. We have 3 digits in the decimal part. Now, Zahra Abdel Rida. Here also crossed out once, teacher. In both, okay? So 12 and 3,000. Also cross out 100. There's mistake. 3,013. Cross out 100.
Which one?
In part A, teacher, the second one.
Okay.
I
طيب
thought it was 3,113 and they forgot to put 1.
فينا نزيد 1 هلا انه هي غلط الجمله، نحن عملنا كروس اوت لل100. طيب فاطمه قراني عم تسمعيني؟
Yes,
يلا يا فاطمه, how do we write this decimal number? عندنا 12 and 3,013 10,000. يلا.
we put 12
Yes. And means
point
point. هلا 3,013 10,000. 10,000 how many digits we have to write?
10,000
4 digits.
4 digits 4
طيب,
digits
fill them يا فاطمه. Fill them with 3,013. How do we write 3,013?
we put 0
لا, كيف بنكتب 3,013 قبل ما انا اعمل لها fill? How do we write 3,014 in digits? 3
we put 3
0
0
then
13
13. Just fill it here starting from the end. So 3 1 0
1
3. Okay,
Yes.
Fatima, this is 3,013. Thank you. Now, Lean Zabad. Lean Zabad.
Teacher,
Yeah.
there is no electricity, so I didn't understand.
طيب, you have to check the Zoom period later. Okay, Lean?
Yes.
محمد عجاوي.
Today's internet is not good.
طب محمد المحمود.
Because it's raining.
Yes, teacher.
يلا يا محمد, the expanded form, please.
Okay, 12
Yes.
محمد محمود.
Then you, Muhammad Ajawi, wait a minute. 0.3. Then skip the 0, yeah, teacher, in the expanded form. Now go to 1. Yeah.
0.3 zeros and 3.
لا, ال1 يا محمد, you skipped 1.
Yes, teacher.
2 zeros, 1. Then
0.3 zeros and 3.
okay, thank you, Muhammad. Yeah. Now Muhammad Ajawi, part B.
Okay.
63 and 7,548 10,000. Yeah, how do we write the decimal number?
63 point
10,000, how many dashes we have to place?
4 dashes.
Fill them, please. Yeah, 7,548. How do we write it? Muhammad, yalla.
Yeah. 8
7,000.
Yeah.
You mean 8
7.
here.
4
Okay.
0 7.
لا 500. So 5 in the 100 then 7.
5 and the 7. And the
Okay. Thank you محمد. Now مريم مدني.
What can I do?
طب مهدي فرحات.
Yes.
يلا يا مهدي ال expanded form.
6
Yes.
plus 0.7.
Plus.
Yes. 0.05
Plus.
plus 0.005
Excellent. Plus.
plus 0.00 3 zeros and 8.
برافو مهدي. Thank you. Now موسى
Teacher.
رحمة. Or
Teacher.
Nabil. Yes يا أسيل.
Teacher, the internet goes.
I know يا
and
أسيل. So you have to
network
check the Zoom period later. A lot of students like this. نبيل محسن.
Teacher,
نبيل
I didn't.
منو هون. يوسف بزون.
teacher,
Oh,
by
teacher,
accident,
Yes نبيل. نبيل.
Yes.
Hurry up
Yes.
please. يلا ال expanded form.
In which one?
The last one. 3.253.
Yes. 3 plus.
Yeah.
0.2
plus
plus 0.05
plus.
0.003.
Excellent Nabil. Thank you. Now Yusuf Bazoon.
3 and 253,000.
Excellent. 3 and 200.
53,000.
Bravo Yusuf. Is it clear this table?
Yes, but
Teacher, I'm not done. I have only a little bit.
253. طيب teacher, you have to check the Zoom period, the one whose electricity off turned off. And if you didn't understand, you will ask me on Monday.
I understand.
You don't have a number.
I'm not done.
3 and 253,000. So don't forget to say at the end, if we have 2 digits in the decimal part, 100, 3 digits, 1,000. Yeah, hurry up, we still have less than 1 minute. No more questions for today. On Monday, we'll start a new lesson, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, copy them. The one who didn't finish, please copy them until the period
And
I can't do it.
Teacher, the someone who finished.
you can leave.
the Zoom.
Yes, you can leave. We still have less than 1 minute.
Bye, miss.
Goodbye,
Bye.
guys. Goodbye.
the lesson we will take it on Monday.
It's about comparison of 2 decimal numbers. How do we compare 2 decimal numbers together?
بس هنا أسألك سؤال.
Yes, Amal. Hurry up, please.
نحن هيدول الزوم لينكس إذا ما فتنا عليهم انتوا هيدول علينا علامات اللي بفوت عليهم ما بيفوت الزوم
إذا